Hello and welcome everyone. Just ready to show you here. You started to nest components, and what you're gonna do is about to start to create main component, which is really about to start to go with this square, for example, and then circle. Okay, now I'm gonna start to make them together with a create component, and I go start to copy and paste them again. Now, what I gonna do to nest these components is about to take them together, Control A, Control A, and then really we can insert another component inside. It's really going on like to insert another component inside it, but you can see that is really some kind of plugins can be nesting it, nested corners or nester test instances, anything that is related to it. So that is really about how it works.